folks, we do have lavender and lemongrass in stock. We've been getting some calls about that for bug deterring. We also have the Citrosa geranium, citronella geranium. So good one to have if you're after natural mosquito control. So these pots here, the plant will end up growing to the size pot that you put it in. Very easy care plant, loves the dry, really loves the dry in the full sun, and then doesn't need a whole lot of water very often either. So we do have the lavender, we do have the lemongrass in stock. We also have the geranium, so you can get it in the small size. We've up potted some for you here. Nice thing with the geranium, you can bring it in. It's a very easy house plant. You water it every other time that you remember. So it really loves the dry, and then inside doesn't do much growing. So fairly easy plant to overwinter. But it's nice to be able to bring it in, nice and big and full at the end of the season. Bring it inside. Don't really have to worry about it too much, and then set it out, and it's nice and big and full in springtime when you're ready to sit out and enjoy the weather. So